Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both phone and Xpander head unit. Plug a quality USB cable into the phone and the vehicle port. This ensures stable data transfer and charging. On your phone, open Android Auto and accept permissions for contacts, locations, and notifications so the system can display maps and messages. Once done, enable Bluetooth on both devices to speed future connections. Make sure the vehicle is in accessory or ignition on mode so the head unit powers up and can pair. Next, on the Xpander touchscreen, tap the Android Auto icon to start the handshake. You'll see a pairing prompt on phone and head unit. Accept both and follow any on-screen instructions. You may need to choose Android Auto as the audio source so navigation voice and calls route through car speakers. Once connected, open Android Auto settings on the phone to enable messages and navigation voice. This improves safety by minimizing phone interaction while driving. Finish by testing core functions. Launch navigation, ask the assistant for directions, and place a quick call to confirm audio routing. If the system fails to connect, try a different high-quality cable and reboot your phone. Many issues are physical or software cache related. If problems persist, clear Android Auto cache in phone settings and unpair, then repair the Xpander Bluetooth entry to reset the connection. One key tip: always keep phone software and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.